Just got Windows 11. These hidden features are turned off by default and you are missing out. Windows hides file extensions, which makes it easy to click something dangerous by mistake. Let's fix that. Open File Explorer, go to View, Show, File Name Extensions, show.jpg, .exe, and etc. Microsoft hides critical folders by default, but you will need them if you are troubleshooting or tweaking settings. To do that, in the File Explorer, go to View, Show, and then Hidden Items. Storage Sense automatically cleans up temporary files, empties the bin, and frees up space. Set it once and forget it. Go to Settings, System, Storage, turn on Storage Sense. Clipboard History saves everything you copy: text, image, screenshots. Press Windows plus V to access it. Show how Clipboard stores past items. So go to Settings, System, and Clipboard. Tired of random pop-ups while working or gaming? Enable Do Not Disturb mode and control exactly when it's active. Go to Settings, System, Notifications, turn on Do Not Disturb. Night light reduces blue light to help you sleep better. Turn it on manually or schedule it for evening use. To do that, go to Settings, System, Display, Night light, and turn on Schedule. Adjust Strength slider. And then the last one, if your laptop gets lost or stolen, Find My Device can help you track it down, but it must be turned on first. To do that, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Find My Device, enable the toggle, and that's it. Which of these features do you always enable first? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly Windows tips right here on Maliky Academy. See you again.